Dear students, today we are in our new question of surface chemistry, application of adsorption. Yes, application of adsorption means ક્યાં use થાય છે, in where, in which places, in which phenomenon adsorption is useful, which is called question. The phenomenon of adsorption find a number of applications. Number of એટલે ઘણા બધા applications uses છે. Important ones are listed here. એમાંના કેટલાક important here is given. Production of high vacuum. In the vessel, there is a wall of charcoal, means coal. Here is vacuum pump is taking. It absorbs all the gas from inside the vessel, but it is not completely vacuum is possible. Some of the gases remains there. So that gases will be absorbed by the wall of the charcoal. કોલસાની દિવાલ હોય છે, wall absorbs the remaining gases. The remaining trace means ખૂબ જ ઓછું of air can be absorbed by charcoal from a vessel, evacuated by vacuum pump to give very high vacuum. To get very high vacuum, here adsorption, when we use the vacuum pump, એટલે બધો ગેસ ખેંચી લઈ પણ થોડોક રિમેનિંગ રહી જાય, થોડો ઘણો રહી જશે. Remaining gas will be absorbed by the wall of the charcoal completely, and we get some vacuum by using the adsorption. With help of adsorption we get some vacuum. Now second question, second phenomenon of it, gas mask. Yes, gas mask, a device which consists of activated charcoal. આપણે માસ્ક પહેરીએ છીએ, but mask is made of activated charcoal. એટલે કોલસો કાર્બન છે, but C14 is active, so activated charcoal or mixture of adsorbent. એમાં બીજા કોઈ adsorbent mix up કરેલા હોય છે, is usually used to breathing in coal mines to absorb poisonous gas. કોલસાની ખાણ હોય છે, in the mines of coal. Some poisonous gas produces from there. So for breathing, we are using this type of activated charcoal having, or mixture of adsorbent, different type of having charcoal we are using. So poisonous gas will be absorbed over the surface of the coal, charcoal activated, and we prevents from the poisonous gases. The second application is gas mask. Control of humidity, pH, silica and alumina gel. Silica gel means paste of silicon. આપણે કાચના દાણા મેં તમને કીધું હતું, કોઈ ગુડ્સ હોય, કોઈ પાર્સલ હોય, ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક્સ એની અંદર કાચના દાણા જેવા સિલિકા જેલ્સ હોય છે. Then aluminum gels also are used as adsorbents for removing moist and controlling humidity. ભેજને એમાંથી દૂર કરી શકાય છે. We can remove inside box there is a mobile. In otherwise any electronic fluid is taken. So there is a silica gel or aluminum gel is taken. So inside moist will be humidity will be absorbed on the surface of silica gel. That is the also application of adsorption, removal of coloring matter from solution. In sometimes the solution some coloring matters are present. So we are using animal charcoals, removes colors from it. Animal charcoal means made from animals. Animal છે એને completely burning ના થાય, so it gives coal which is called animal charcoal. Plant માંથી બને તો plant charcoal, tree માંથી. Animal charcoal removes colors of solution by adsorbing colored impurities. In the solution, colored impurities are present. So when we add charcoal into it, so colored impurity will be absorbed on the surface. That is also example of adsorption. Heterogeneous catalysis. Yes, in industries for making many compounds we are using catalyst, where our reactant is suppose gas or liquid, then we are using some solid catalyst. So here two different phases, so which is called heterogeneous catalysis. Adsorption of a reactant on the solid surface of the catalyst increase the rate of reaction. There are many gaseous reactions of industrial importance involving solid catalyst. Manufacturing of ammonia, everybody knows nitrogen react with hydrogen in the presence of iron as a catalyst. Here iron is solid and reactant are gases, so which is called heterogeneous catalysis. Here catalyzer is not taking part in the reaction, but it which speed up the reaction. Yes, iron. In manufacturing of ammonia using iron as a catalyst. Manufacturing of sulfuric acid by contact process, underline it, by thinly divided nickel in the manufacturing of sulfuric acid. In ammonia, in manufacturing of sulfuric acid, generally vanadium pentoxide we are using. SO2 react with O2 gives SO3 as a catalyst, vanadium pentoxide. Yes, this one catalyst heterogeneous, and now that SO3 when dissolves into water, so it gives sulfuric acid. SO3 plus water, actually SO3 absorbed into sulfuric acid excess, so it gives oleum. And when we add water, so it gives 2 mole of sulfuric acid. In the contact process, this is contact process, vanadium pentoxide is catalyst is using. Now hydrogenation of oils, excellent example of heterogeneous catalyst. Actually vegetable oils converts into ghee by using nickel. We are passing hydrogen gas, so hydrogenation occurs and vegetable oil converts into synthetic ghee, man-made ghee, artificial ghee. Yes. Now separation of inert gases. First of all, which are inert gases? Tell me. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon are inert gases. Due to the difference in degree of adsorption of gases by charcoal, a mixture of noble gases can be separated by adsorption on coconut charcoal at different temperature. Yes, adsorption depends upon temperature, and also depends upon nature of the gas. At different temperature, whenever critical temperature is high, so which liquefies first, so it absorbs more. On the basis of it, we have to maintain temperature and critical temperature. On the basis of critical temperature, we have to maintain temperature. So only one, at particular temperature, only one gas will be absorbed. Then after second, the critical temperature high હશે એ absorb first. કોકોનટ ચાર્કોલ મીન્સ નાળિયેરમાંથી નાળિયેર હોય ટોપરું એને બાળી નાખો કમ્પ્લીટલી રાખ થાય એટલી હદે નહીં કાળું થાય ત્યાં સુધી. That is the coconut charcoal using in the separation of inert gases. On that charcoal, different type of gases will be absorbed. In curing disease, a number of drugs are used to kill germs by getting absorbed on them. Yes, sir. Doctor gives injection in the body. In the disease of dengue, શરીરમાં ડેન્ગ્યુ થાય તેના જમ્સને કિલ કરવા માટે some chemicals enter in our body. So it behaves like a adsorbent and germs will be absorbed on the surface of the medicine and it kills the germs. That is also application of in curing the disease. Froth flotation process. A low grade sulfide like zinc sulfide, lead sulfide ore is concentrated by separating it from silica and other metal. By this method using pine oil and frothing agents. I am giving you diagram of it. You can see first thinly divided powder of ore. Suppose zinc sulfide powder is taken. Then pine oil and water we are mixed up and we are blowing air at high pressure. So froth occurs, thin. Here is sand and impurities will be settled down in the bottom. So less mass having zinc sulfide particles comes with the froth and we can separate some. So on the froth, fin upper, zinc sulfide will be absorbed. This is also, and that process is called the froth flotation method. Absorption indicators. Yes, some indicators we are using in chemistry lab. Surface is of certain precipitate such as silver halide have the property of absorbing some dyes like eosine and fluorescein, etc., and thereby producing a characteristic color at the end point. Yes, indicator means when we take any solution in burette and another is taken in the conical flask. So that is the titration. So we are using some indicators. The reaction is completed, indicate करे indicator कहवाय. Some indicators like phenolphthalein, such silver halide have the property of absorbing some dyes. Actually silver chloride, silver bromide and silver iodide occurs in the solution. So which is a precipitate here. And that precipitate gains color from the indicator and it gives a color. So fluorescein, eosine આપણે એડ કરીએ એટલે અહીં જે બેની titration થાય, suppose here is NaCl is taken, here is AgNO3 is taken. So AgNO3 comes contact to NaCl, gives AgCl precipitate. The inside indicator adsorbs over the precipitate and gives color. Legicilla precipitate ઉપર આ બધા absorb થાય અને કલર આપે છે. A characteristic color at end point. The reaction is completed. Now chromatographic analysis. In chromatography, standard 11 organic chromatographic chapter 12 chromatographic analysis based on the phenomenon of adsorption. Underline it. MCQ. Chromatography analysis. Chromatographic depends phenomenon of adsorption. A number of applications in analytical and industrial fields. Chromatography, there is a layer of adsorbent on glass thin plate. We are taking some dot of mixture. So it will be separate in the solvent. So different layers occurs at different height due to adsorption. એટલે જેનું વધારે adsorption થાય ત્યાં જ રહી જશે, એટલે સોય ઉપર આગળ જશે અને ડીપ કરતા જાય એટલે આમાં જે મિક્સચર એમાં અલગ અલગ કમ્પાઉન્ડ છે સેપરેટ થઈ જાય. દેટ ઇઝ ક્રોમેટોગ્રાફી. તેમાં જે લેયર હોય સિલિકા જેલ હોય, સો adsorbent and there is the adsorption occurs on it. Analytical chemistry lab. Industrial also. In the separation we are using. Now next point, write any two characteristics. This question we discussed in our last lecture. Why does physisorption decrease with increased temperature? This one also discussed. This one we have to discuss here. Why are powder substance more effective adsorbent than their crystalline forms? When we take any coal, piece of coal, so surface area of it is very less. Suppose this one is 10 gram is taken. Now same 10 gram coals we are converting into thinly divided powder. Now બારીક powder માં ફેરવી નાખીએ. So you can see here area, surface area is increased, so adsorption occurs more. So powdered substance more effective in as an adsorbent. Why? Here surface area is less, inner part is not absorbing. Here when we divide into thinly powder, so answer of this question, when any substance solid when convert into thinly divided powder, surface area is very high of it, so adsorbing occurs more on that cases. So thinly divided is good adsorbent in crystalline forms, then it's a piece. Now our next question, catalysis. Give the, yes, write a short note about catalysis. Actually catalysis means reaction occurs in the presence of catalyzed. Write a short note about catalysis. Question, short note. Otherwise describe catalysis briefly. Whenever reaction occurs in presence of catalyzed, એટલે કોઈ catalyzed ની હાજરીમાં reaction થાય તો reaction માં product ના વધે, rate of reaction વધી જાય. So reaction occurs with the presence of a catalyst which is called catalysis. Potassium chloride KClO3 when heated strongly decomposes slowly, giving dioxygen. In the chemistry lab, to get dioxygen, this compound is very useful. to produce oxygen, not industrially, but in chemistry lab. However, when a little, but this reaction is very slow. When a little of manganese dioxide, MnO2, which is solid, is added, the decomposition takes place at a considerably lower temperature range. આ પેલા કેટાલિસ્ટ નહોતું તો ખૂબ જ હાઈ ટેમ્પરેચરની જરૂર પડે ને છતાંય સ્લો હતું. But when we use the MnO2, એટલે applied temperature is lower range 473 to 633, and also at a much accelerated rate. Accelerated એટલે ખૂબ જ સ્પીડ અપ થઈ જાય. રિએક્શન જે ધીમું મોલ તો 3 જ મળશે, but amount to 3 મળશે. Stated amount remain 3, but time taken is less. Speed વધી જાય. The added manganese dioxide remains unchanged with respect to its mass and the composition. MnO2 in last remains as it is. MnO2 actually is not reacting with reactants, only speed up the reaction in a similar manner. એટલે કે catalyst શું કરે, પોતે રિએક્શનમાં ભાગ ન લે, only speed up the reaction. The rate of number of chemical reaction can be altered by the mere presence of foreign substance. Foreign એટલે રિએક્શન દરમિયાન કોઈ બહારથી ઉમેરેલો પદાર્થ કે જે પોતે રિએક્શનમાં પાર્ટ લેતો નથી, which is called a foreign material, which behaves like a catalyst and speed up our chemical reaction. And whenever reaction occurs in presence of catalyst, which is called catalysis. The systematic study of the effect of various foreign substances on the systematic study, yes, on the rates of chemical reactions was first made by Berzelius in 1835. Scientist was Berzelius. In any chemical reaction, when we add foreign substances, foreign એટલે જે પોતે રિએક્શનમાં પાર્ટિસિપેટેડ ના હોય, હવે અમુક foreign substances બહારથી ઉમેરેલો substance એનો systematic study done in chemical reaction by Berzelius. Scientist name છે Berzelius. In 1835, he suggested the term catalyst for such substances. કે એવા કોઈ substance કે when we add in the chemical reaction in which increase the rate of reaction, which is called a catalyst, word given by first time Berzelius. Substances which accelerate the rate of chemical reaction and themselves remain chemically and quantitatively unchanged after the reaction are known as catalyst. And definition છે substances which accelerate the rate, without catalyst rate of reaction slow. When we add the some foreign materials like a substance, so itself remains chemically and quantitatively. એમાં કોઈ change નહીં આવે after reaction, that are called the catalyst. And the phenomenon is known as the catalysis. The reaction occurs with presence of catalyst is called catalysis phenomenon. You have already studied about catalyst and functioning in section 4.5. આપણે chapter 4 જોઈ ગયા, chemical kinetics. Actually what happens there? Catalyze only decrease the activation energy. Catalyzed only decrease the activation energy. Revision of chapter number 4. reaction coefficient. Reaction આમ થાય છે. So without catalyst, activation energy is high. When we use the catalyst, so activation energy increases, product remains same, but speed up the reaction. Why? Alternate path it choose, and reaction became faster. It decreases the activation energy. Now we are in promoters, yes, NCQ, promoters and poisons. Promoters are substances that enhance the activity of catalyst, while the poisons decrease the activity of catalyst. Sometimes we are using catalyst, so another material we are adding into it, so it increase the activity of a catalyst. એટલે booster rate boost up થઈ જાય. એટલે catalyst થી rate of reaction તો increase થાય, પણ promoter add કરવાથી વધારે increase થાય. For example, in Haber's process for manufacturing of ammonia, N2 gas plus 3H2 gas gives 2NH3 gas. Here iron as a catalyst and molybdenum, this is NCQ, is a MO, molybdenum as a promoter. એટલે આને વધારે સ્પીડ આપે. આ કેટાલિસ્ટ છે એ એક્ટિવ હોય અને મોર એક્ટિવ કરશે. Haber processમાં એમોનિયા, molybdenum act as a promoter for iron, which is used as a catalyst. Iron is catalyst, molybdenum is a promoter. In some cases, when we use the catalyst, so some material, when we add some substances, so which decrease the reactivity of catalyst, which is called the poison of the catalyst. catalyst માં activity increase કરે promoter કહેવાય. સ્પીડ વધારી આપે. પોઈઝન હોય તો એની એક્ટિવિટી ડિક્રીઝ કરે. This one is promoter, but in some cases decrease the rate of reaction. That is called the poison of the catalyst. Now we are in our another most IMP point, catalysis. Now everybody knows catalysis means reaction occurs with catalyst, in presence of catalyst, and phenomenon is called catalysis. Catalysis means reaction whenever occurs with the help of catalyst. Now before going to it, one more thing I want to discuss with you. Before that, when we use catalyst, potential energy, once again, reaction coordinate, reaction x-axis ऊपर, potential energy y. Here is the activation energy. You can see without catalyst and with catalyst. You can see without catalyst, with catalyst. Activation energy decrease થાય. The reaction છે સ્પીડ થી થઈ જાય, but value of delta H remain unchanged. When we use catalyst, delta H remain constant. K, equilibrium constant, remain constant. K, equilibrium constant, remain constant. Delta H unchanged. Product unchanged. Amount of product unchanged. Catalyst यूज कर तो प्रोडक्ट જે મળતી હોય મળે. ડેલ્ટા x ની વેલ્યુ છે એ કોન્સ્ટન્ટ રહેશે. ઇક્વિલિબ્રિયમ કોન્સ્ટન્ટ છે કોન્સ્ટન્ટ રહેશે. કારણ કે જેટલું EA catalyst decreases increases both side reaction forward and backward. So it decreases both side activation energy. So delta H equal to EA minus E dash A. EA minus E dash A. IA E dash A is delta H. When EA decreases, then E dash A also decreases. So difference remains same. You can see, suppose before catalyst EA was 500 and E dash A was 300. 500 and 300. So it delta H is 200. But when we use catalyst, so here EA is now suppose 200. This one is suppose 100, 300 and 100. So 300 minus 100. So it remains 200 constant. આમાં 200 degrees in થયું, આમાં 200 degrees in થયું. The difference તો same રહેશે ને. The delta H never changes. Product never changes. Amount never changes. Only speed up the reaction with help of catalyst. I hope you enjoyed my lecture. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, bye. Take care of you.